location or not. In your JSX code, wherever the JavaScript is there, that JavaScript code should enclose it with what? An expression or not. So that this is also JavaScript variable and this is also JavaScript variable or not. Agreed with me, all? Yes or no? Okay. Okay, then. Now if I run this one, what is my output? If I run this one, what is my output? It gives me an error. Can we fix that error? How we can fix it? Come on. How we can fix it? Any number of times you refresh, nothing you can see here. How we can fix that one? Come on. Right click on this one, inspect it. Okay, now you can see all the errors where? In the console or not. Click on the console. Can you read it? What is that? Props is not defined. That means what? You are using this particular props member. It is a variable or a method, whatever it is. That member is not available in that context or not. Okay, go and check why. This one is there, right? Okay, this is the extra stuff. Can I remove it? Can you come here? Can I refresh? If you get still error, we can see. Now see this. My name is Sachin. I am from Mumbai. My name is, you not pass anything or not. So that what you have to do? You have to pass some value here or not. What do you want me to pass? This is related to Dhoni. What is the key and what is the value? My Dhoni is my value. Here, my Ranchi is my value. Key can be anything. But in this context, you are using the reusable same component or not. Then the time you have to follow which approach? Different keys or same keys? Same keys. If the different keys, it is going to work for only one player or not. It is impact on remaining all players. So that what you want me to do here? What is the key? Name is my key and what is my location? Okay, what is my key here? LOC is the one or not? Okay, the same. Can I copy? Can I paste here? What is this? Kohli. And here can I paste like till here? Now can I refresh? Then or not? Understood? Okay? Okay then. How many ways we can pass the data to the component while loading? How many ways we can pass the data to the component while loading? 2 ways or not? One is like what? Attribute format. This is my attribute format or not? Another one is like a children. Is like a children. Now tell me how we can pass the data to this particular component as a children. As a children. Any element you can take it. It is like which approach? Hierarchy based or not? Open tag and closing tag. Whatever you place the content, that is nothing but your children only or not. If you come here, okay, I have one div is there. This is my div. Close my div. Here whatever you place like one more element is like a span. Hierarchy wise what? Div is a parent and span is like what? Children or not? Yes or no? Instead of this span, if I write like something like Naresh IT, my Naresh IT text also children to what? My div only or not? Think like that. It's a kind of what? Hierarchy or not? Now my requirement also same like that only. So far here you added my name is Sachin, I am from Mumbai. My runs are 20,000. Like that I want to add. Here also my runs are something. My runs are something. Yes or no? So that runs I want to pass not like an attribute. I want to pass as a children. Okay? Tell me. If you want to pass like a children, this particular syntax will work or not work? No, right? If it is like a self-closing element, is it possible to place some content in that element? No, right? Is there any possibility is there? Place like a children? No. Then what change is required? Come on. This is my open element. Can I place like a closing element like this? Now I have a space here to pass some data or not. Whatever you place here with respect to player, that is what? Children only or not? Why? Because in the hierarchy, this is my open element, this is my closing element. Whatever you place, that is what? Children only or not? Yes or no? Now I want to pass the data to my player component as like a attribute, as like a children. So that this syntax also, can I change it? So that this syntax also, can I change it? Players, right? This is what? This is div. Now it is okay? Player. Can I copy this? This is the div, right? What happened? This self-closing you have to remove, right? Yeah, you're right. Now it's okay? Okay then. Let's go. Line number 15. You passed already the data to my player in which format? In which format? Attribute format or not? Now I want to pass along with attribute. I want to pass as a children also or not? Which data you want me to pass? My name is Sachin. I am from Mumbai. My runs are, okay, my runs are, okay, here you have to place Sachin 20,000, here 15,000, here 18,000. Come on. First player is related to Sachin, right? I want to pass how many runs? 20,000 runs or not? So that can I pass the 20,000? How we can pass the 20,000? Come on, how we can pass the data to the component? Two ways I said. One is like attribute, another one is like children. Attribute I don't want. I want runs through children. Tell me. Come on. Open element and closing element in between, if you place some whatever the content, that is acting like a children to that particular element or not? Yes or no? Come on. Now tell me. This data go to where? Which component? Player component. This data also go to where? Player component only or not? My player component hold the data like what? Come on, props, one variable. My props which type? Object type or not? What is my first key? Name. What is my value? Sachin. What is my second key? Location. What is my value? Mumbai. What is my third key? What is my value? 20,000. But here the children is there, right? Do we have any key? Come on, do we have any key? We don't have any key, right? Okay, if the key is not there in this particular object, how we can place the data? Syntactically wrong or not? Key should be there, right? For any property, key should be there or not? So here, if you pass the data in the attribute format, key value pairs, the same key you can use in the object. But here, the value only there, but key is not there. Tell me, what is the key? That is the question. Yes, no? If my data you pass as a children, my key is like a predefined one. That key name is what? Children only. That's it. What is my key? Children only. Understood or not? Now tell me, how we can get Sachin? Props dot name. How we can get Mumbai? Props dot location. How we can get this 20,000? Props dot children only, right? Props dot children only or not? So that my runs are what? Come on. My props dot children or not? Here my children is a predefined key or not? Okay. Now can I remove this one? Now can I add 15,000? Can I add 18,000 here? Now can I refresh my page? Can you check it? Now it is working as expected or not? Yes or no? Okay, now tell me, how many ways we can pass the data to the component while loading? Your answer is what? 2 ways or not? First way is what? In the attribute format or not? Second way is what? As a children or not? If you pass the data as a children, by using which key you can retrieve the data? By using which key you can retrieve the data? Children only the key or not? Here my children key is what? It's a predefined key or not? Understood everyone? Agreed? Any questions anyone so far?
దాంట్లో ఏం చేస్తామంటే బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ డిజైన్ తీసుకొని ఈ నేమ్స్ అటు ఇటు పెట్టేసి మళ్ళా దాన్ని
Oh, it's okay? If you have like 100 players, okay, then what we have to do? Which approach? Can anyone guess? I have 100 players are there. What do you want me to do? You want me to write 100 players like this? 100 players, player like this? No. What is the approach? Okay, very simple. First, represent the data for the 100 players. Okay, how we can represent the data? How many players are there? How many players are there? Come on. How many players are there? 100 players. 100 players. The data representation is what? Number, string, array, object, 100. Multiple. Array or not? Yes or no? Each and every player has the data, right? Which data is there? Name, location and runs. How we can represent the data about one player, one particular player, if you want to represent the data? Object or not? So that first, can you get the data representation for all the 100 players? Yes or no? This is my data representation for 100 players. Now all my players here, right? In your array there has one method is there called as a map method. By using that map method we can iterate all my 100 players and return this player. That's it. Now this particular value should not be hard code. Understood or not? This one you can remove it. Okay. Now how many times you written the code? We can discuss. How many times you written the code? One time. It is iterated how many times? Players 100, 1000. That is based on the database. For example, you have the 100 players data, 1000 players data. You can send a request and get the data and iterate the data or not. Understood or not? For now, okay, just hold. We'll see that one later. Understood everyone?
వైట్ కలర్ లో ఉన్నాయి కానీ చెప్పి కనిపించలా.
Okay, so any questions, anyone? Anyone have any questions? Code will share. Just wait. Anyone have any questions? No? Okay then. Now go to
లెంత్
your post.in.
సెంటీమీటర్స్ పెట్టా ఇంచెస్.
Go to your post.in.
ఇంచెస్ 1.5.
Okay. Now
ఇది కనగట్లేదు.
there has one section is the red practice section. Okay, click on the practice section. Now JavaScript, if you want to practice, we'll see that one later. The React one, first one is like hello world is there, right? Okay, click on the hello world. Now whenever you practice, just open the developer console window always. Okay, either left side or right side, like this you can open. Okay, always while practicing. Okay, open the console. Okay na? See the requirement. This only way. These are the guidelines you have to follow. Come to the requirement. See, render hello world text using React. You have to render the hello world text using React. We have some code already written here. See, there has some code already written. You have to fill this gap. In the text box you have to write some code. Okay, in the text box 1, only one text box is there, right? In the text box 1, create app component should return hello world text with color red. That is the requirement. Okay, so first thing is like whatever the existing code is there, just run it. Click on the output. Click on the output. If I click on the output, did you find anything? Did you find anything in the console? Just you can check it. Go to console. Where is my console? Here. This one, right? Click on the console. What is the output? Come on. App is not defined or not. That means you are trying to use app. That app is not defined. So that you can go to the code now. What code they written? Can you check it? See? HTML head is there.
బాక్స్
In the head part, what we have? In the head part, come on. In the head part, what we have? React development.js they added. React DOM development.js. Babel also they added. Babel also they added. That's okay, right? Babel also they added. Now come down. Here there has one class is there. CR is like what? Color red. The next one is what? Here you know everything. What is this one? Your container or not. After this container we have what? Script to text to Babel is there. Okay, that script ended here. Yes or no? Here if you observe, container is like what? Document.getElement by ID of root. Okay, and then they get the root element. Root.render is like yap. Done or not? Now my execution is going to start from where? My execution is going to start from here or not? First thing is like looking for yap. Yap there or not there in this particular script tag? Not there. That's the reason it is looking for yap. Yap is not defined. Error, get it or not? So that what we have to do? What we have to do based on your requirement is what? Create app component should return so hello world text with color red or not? So that you have to create what now? App component or not? How we can create an app component? Function app component you can create. Yes or no? Okay, should returns what? Come on, should return what? Based on your requirement, should return what? This is hello world text or not? So that it should return a hello world text. Yes or no? Now can I click on the output? Now hello world text rendered or not? But that is in which color? Color red. Already there has one CSS class they added or not? CR. That CR class can we add here? How we can add the class to my H1? My class name equals to CR. Okay, class or class name? In the JSX class property is like invalid property. Class name you have to add it. Now can I click on the output again? Now my hello world text printed or not? See the error. Fix that error. Okay? Okay then. The next one.
10.18.
Okay, name 5. Okay, 5 times I want to print the name. Tell me, by seeing this one, what you can? First, script loaded. The next one. There has a CB1 CSS class is there. FS 1 CSS class is there. CB is like color blue, font size is like 30 pixel. And then, come on. Root element is there. The next one, script. Come to this one now. I have one component app is there. Inside the component, div name 5 times. Now this is my container. Document.create root of container, root.render. My execution is going to start from where? From my app. App there or not there in the script? There. Inside the app, div looking for what? Name there or not there? Not there. So that what is the error? If I click on the output, what is the error? Come on. My name is not defined. Like this you can get the error or not. Now come here. Okay, Babel script app is already has. Okay, just refresh that one if you get this kind of. Okay, name is not defined. Like this you can get the error. Now how we can fix that error? How we can fix that error? Come on. You have to define that name component or not. Name is not defined. You have to define that name component. How we can define that? My function name component you can define. Now come to the requirement. What you have? Create a name component which should returns what? Hello Naresh IT with blue color with font size is like 30 pixel. Yes or no? So what you have to do? This hello Naresh IT you can take it. Should returns what? Should return one H1 you can take it. Just close my H1. Okay, now you have to add what? My class name. Okay, how we can add the class name? My class name equals to CB. How many classes you can add? Any number of classes you can add. How we can differentiate one class to another class? By using space or not. Now you can click on the output. Now you can see the hello Naresh IT or not. Yes or no? Okay, like that. Can you complete first Okay. First four. Can you complete first four? Yes or no? Complete first four. The next one. Go to your post today onwards. Every day one program it is going to display here. Every day. Okay, the program is like what? One React program, one JavaScript program.
వరకు 4లో
One React program, one JavaScript program. The same program in your batch repeated like every program 3 times. 3 times it is going to repeat. Okay. So this program, if you know, then that is well and good. If you don't know, don't worry. So one day we are going to cover this one. Okay, hold for now. Now if you want to see this program, click on this one. Now go to this Kalam Schools. Now try it in the editor. Now you can see this program. I want to show the model. I want like this. Hey, hi. My requirement is like, just I want like model. Now it is like what? Just info model. Confirmation model. Okay or close. Sometimes it is like okay, I want to delete one record. Okay, you are going to ask the question, right? Are you sure you want me to delete like that? Okay, that kind. Understood or not? So every day you can get like one program. Understood? Okay, next. Here Kalam Schools. Okay, here also
చాలా ఉన్నాయా
it's a theory kind of programs. Okay, now see. Create a promise object which returns a failure response. That means what? You have to create a promise object and that should return a failure object, failure data. New promise object, something like that. Failure means reject. Understood or not? Get the error response using then. Once you created a promise object, you have to get the error response by using then, and another way is like using await. Understood or not? Okay, that code you can write it. That code you can write it. That code you can write it here. Understood or not? Okay, now you can see remaining people comments. If anybody written, okay, you can see their comments also. This is about Kalam Schools one. The next one is like write test. Okay, here also see one more program. Kalam Schools theory, you have to write the program. This is like write test, it's a basic programs in JavaScript. Your post, it's like a React and JavaScript high level programs. Okay, in your write test, see this. Write a function check whether the last digits of the given numbers are same or not. Okay, write a function, check last digits 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 4, 2. Last digit is like 2 or not. So my output should be like true, otherwise output should be like false. So that just you can write a function and check that function calls like this, output should be true. Okay, if you call like this, my output should be like false. Understood or not? So every day you have to write the program in Kalam Schools, in write test and your post also. Okay, each and every program is repeated like 3 times. One time you miss also, second time you can learn. Okay, at this moment you may not cover the topic. Okay, but at last you can find all the things. Understood or not? Okay, and write test. Now onwards HTML, CSS, okay, but every day you can write JavaScript and React test. JavaScript and React. It is like randomly you can get like multiple questions. Every day you can write it. Understood or not? JavaScript and React. If you get like 20 out of 20, you can stop it. Okay. So this is the write test one. Understood, right? How to use it? The same credentials you can use for all the websites. The same credentials for your post and write test and Kalam Schools. The same credentials you can use it. Okay. Yes, data structures you are asking. Okay, we can talk online, people, just wait. Understood, right, everyone? So you can practice in your post and Kalam Schools write test and your post, write the programs. In the write test, write the test, JavaScript and React test. Okay. Any other questions, anyone? Online people, just wait. newcomers, if you want these websites, okay, newcomers, if you want to see the course content, everything, go to kalamschools.com, go to 9 a.m. This is our 9 a.m. batch, right? Go to 9 a.m. Now here you can see all your course content, newcomers. At the same time, last 7 class videos also you can find it here. Okay, 8th class video also, let me add it. 7 only. Okay, 7 classes only completed. Last 7 classes videos you can find here, and these are our learning websites. Just you can go through this. Okay, newcomers, you can download, you can see that. Okay, see, this is our overall content. These are our learning websites, and these are like last 7 class sessions. Tomorrow I will share you today's session video also. Just you can go through that. Okay.
అది
కింద 3 షీట్లు ఉన్నాయి సార్. 3 షీట్లు నేనైతే
So any questions, anyone? Anyone have any questions? No? Okay, then online people, just wait. I'm going to give the permission to talk. Yeah, online people, can you hear me? Who want to talk, just raise your hand. Just wait.
అటు బయట కింద బ్యాంక్ తిప్పు మర్చిపోవా 2 సైడ్ ఆ 2 షీట్లు కూడా ఇప్పుడు మెయిల్ చేయాలి.
మెయిల్
ఈ 2 పీడిఎఫ్లు చేసి ఈ 2 పీడిఎఫ్ని రోహిత్ పంపాలి.
ఈ 2 పీడిఎఫ్లు రెండు కలిపి అవుదాంలావా ఎక్స్పోర్ట్
కాదు, నేను వేస్తుంది సార్ 50 షీట్లు పీడిఎఫ్ అదొకటి ఈ 2 కలిపి
మీలో ఇవాళ డేట్లో సేవ్ చేసి
పీడిఎఫ్ తీసి
పీడిఎఫ్ ఇప్పుడే వచ్చి కూడా పెడతాను.
నేను డౌన్లోడ్ చేసావా లేదు మరి. ఓకే నేను నన్న పీడిఎఫ్ తీసుకున్నారా ఓపెన్ చేస్తాను.
Hey,
ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ ఓకే నేను చేసింది ఇది. ఇప్పుడు ఈ 2 పాయింట్లకి ఏం పడతాం అంటే సెటప్ 2 అని.
రెండింటికా
can we talk tomorrow? Okay, why? Because this link they are going to use for another class. Okay, we can talk
ఎన్ని
tomorrow's
50
class. Okay.
అనుకుంటే సెటప్ 1 3 సెటప్ 2
Recording stopped.
9
9 పెట్టి సెటప్ 2.
పక్కన సెటప్ 2.
Okay, then thank you guys. Thanks for joining. Okay, we continue remaining things in tomorrow's class.
నేనున్నాయిగా.
Okay, tomorrow before starting only we can talk. Okay.
నేను
Newcomers, just go through this link. If you want, you can take the pic. Okay, go through this link. All the content you can find here, whatever we are going to deliver. At the same time, so far what we discussed, the class videos also you can find here. Okay, class videos also you can find here.